Welcome back to Chevrolet of Everett's channel. I'm Michaela, and today I want to go over Chevrolet's advanced trailering technology. Very exciting, especially if you've ever towed a boat, a trailer, a camper. There's always kind of an inherent struggle with ensuring that you're doing it properly and safely, but Chevy's made it easy. They've implemented 3 big factors to keeping trailering really simple. We've got the advanced camera views that we'll review and go over. We've got the advanced cruise control for trailering. And we've also got the crucial trailer side blind alert system. Let's talk about the advanced camera views. I've got 2 main features that I want to highlight specifically for trailering. We've got the hitch view with hitch guidance camera. This one points directly at your hitch. You can line up your trailer, connect it seamlessly, perfectly every time, and it's a one-person job because you see it digitally on your infotainment screen and you don't need any help. The second feature, which is arguably the coolest and probably the most important feature being implemented, is the transparent trailer view. This pretty much takes all your cameras and it digitally stitches together like the image of your trailer and then deletes it almost. So that way you can see past your trailer for any of your blind spots, and it's virtually a camera view that makes your trailer disappear even when you're trailering, which is very cool. For those who are familiar with Chevrolet's adaptive cruise control, Chevy took it one more step further with trucks and implemented an advanced cruise control for trailering. So you have the regular cruise control that's going to adapt to traffic in front of you, but this feature, it factors in the length, the weight of your trailer, and it automatically adjusts the speed, the inertia. It accounts for everything that you're hauling to make it seamless and smooth for a safe and relaxing ride instead of having to constantly do all the driving yourself. When you're towing a trailer, your normal blind zone alert systems typically fail. That's why Chevrolet has implemented their new trailer blind side alert that pretty much accounts for not only your truck's length, but it's going to account for your trailer length too. So if you're, trying to get over in the lane and your trailer detects that there is a car beside it, it's going to alert you via a light on your side mirror, and it's going to just tell you, hey, don't go because it's not safe. So seamless implementation of extra security with the blind spot monitoring. These 3 features Chevrolet has seamlessly implemented in our new lineup of trucks. If you're ready to come explore exactly what that has to offer and you're ready for a stress-free trailering experience, come on down to Chevrolet of Everett. We'd be more than happy to demo any of our features for you and see which ones end up being the most useful and maybe go home with a new truck. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below and let me know what trailering feature you're most excited about, and maybe I can agree.